What kind of fish is this now, brother? Dangle me rod bad, don't it?
Dangle me rod bad.
Yeah, man, dangle me rod bad, man. A snapper? Snapper. Blowable.
Yeah, big snapper too.
Get where? Get where? No. Come here, man. Snapper.
Yeah, angler.
Yes, brother.
Oh,
Yeah, man, check it, because yeah, you should get a move, you know, whether I'm take it off or not, so. Alright. The top of the morning, my peeps, yeah? YouTube family, yeah, see me out here, you know. Out here on the Jetty again. Can't see me, can't catch two jack, you know. Because I see the jack them at the water, the jack them out there, you know. See them out there, so. See the bird them out there, so that's them, you know. So you know, say. I must still alive, you know. Shucks, why am I take him up again?
Tougher than tough, man. Second time,
So I should put on a live one, like come and try one.
Take a pipe, where you do with that? You eat that?
I put on a live one, put my live one, because guess what?
But a stronger
Better, stronger one, you know. Alright, so I have to make sure I have a live bait, you know, that well active bait, because I want to catch one of them big fish, you know. Ah, come here. This is one. What that one I know, eh? The jack? Oh! Think a jack you're talking about, brother. See, I don't see him gone out with it. It's a whitening. So the jack them right there to see me. Alright. Oh yeah, mid up on your line, don't worry about it. Just put on a whitening jack now and set him out. Whitening our Black Atlantic bumper. A snapper? Snapper! Blowable! Get where? Get where? No! Come here, man. Snapper!
Yeah, angler.
Yes, brother.
Oh, yes.
See that, brother? Snapper, yeah, my brother, see me. Lane snapper. This guy over 10 inches long time, you know, so I'm going to keep that one there, so you know what you go. See that? Snapper. Lane snapper.
You don't want the man attacking you?
No, I don't want to attack you again. See that? 10 inches. See the people? 10 inches in there. Can't use the one on him. Yeah.
Snapper.
Yeah, man. 10 inches in that. Go in that. If I measure him up in a Carlton. Yeah. Because I don't want you to go tell the fishing place that I catch on that size snapper out there.
On that size snapper.
My prisoner go. So I go prison. Yo, brother, how can I think that? Oh dear. Ah, it's so hard me have to throw it, man. You catch a small snapper last night? Alright.
You should go to prison.
Yeah, I go. I'm dependent, man. You might take it, but you not take it good. No, sir. Take your friend them too quick. Shall wait, no.
You're the boss.
See your radar move, see your radar move now. See it now. That little yellow one, yellow. See it goes to 2 times, boop, boop, boop. So you have to just watch it. Where you have fun it? Where you have fun it? Toughy? He not gone, he not take it up yet, but see lick it 2 times, you know? Snapper man, snapper, better say a snapper. Yeah man, snapper brother, snapper. Yes, my brother, snapper. Come with him up. Yes, what you measure brother?
Yeah, wait, more than 10 inches. Look at that. Nice.
See my brother?
Nice. Oh my word.
Yeah.
Feel good. We get something.
Blow, one bite.
Stick, yeah? Bite, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Pull it all time out, too.
Thank you.
Now man say what? I just tap on my beat up thing man.
About the same distance. You know, I'm still alive, man. You know that the whiteness still alive, you know, watch him.
Why?
Can't believe it. I'm gonna take it up. Shouldn't take it up, don't.
Why? You put on a tough on it.
You know, see it again. Go down a while ago again, you know, and watch it. Go down and come back up. You don't have on it? You think you will have on it? Yeah, that's not right there. You just go so far down and come back up, you know. See, but we don't think we don't feel upon it. I'm going watching the kids still and see that, yeah, see that, come on, look on it. Snapper again! You know, see me a snapper man. I mean, a snapper man, you know. Watch out, no? What are we thinking, man? You drop off right there, sir. So this is another snapper again. Right on the jetty. In Carlton, and gone over 8 inches, I think, sir. Yeah, man, it got about 9, I bet you. Alright, that snapper I can measure up now and see. 9 inches, you know that, you know. Alright, watch it now. Come on, behave yourself. Don't do that. Come on, behave. See that me know, man. See me tell you. Here. Exactly. See there now, guys. Exactly 9 inches. See there. Exactly 9 inches. So guess what? Keep a size that again. Another one I go for again, you know. Another snapper again. Oh yeah, yo, see you already now. Yo, something for you already now. That one, yeah. Yeah, man, I snap up on that one, yeah. How you put on it? This? Yeah. Something upon it. We see it go down 2 times. You go down on it. Nothing? Right. 2 times, I see it go down, you know. That means I take it off. Yeah, we're coming easy then. When the pan, feel like it's stiff, you know, feel like it's stiff. That means it. See the man snapper. See the yeah. No, what kind of snapper that? Mangrove snapper. A liar. Blow. What you mean, brother? Snapper run. Lane snapper and mangrove snapper run. See a line goes 2 times, boop boop, and I said, no man, that don't look right. That look like when my line I lick the cup. Mangrove. Eh? Yeah. A long time in down there lick it look like, you know. Drop off easy the door. Yes, so my friend now catch a mangrove snapper there. Yeah? Nice mangrove, Kasim. Man, I make Carlton a fit to jump overboard, you know. Come here, come here, come here. You're going like. Open your mouth. Open your mouth, man. Sure. See me? See there now. 11 3/4 mangrove snapper. Carlton snapper that. See him there? Beautiful. Yes, Carlton. Him almost 12 inches. 11 3/4. Alright, so we are waiting for another hook up, alright? So let's hook come back. Alright guys, so I'm leaving out of here now, alright? Yeah man, leaving this area now. Breeze come up, see there? The breeze coming up now, see they're very strong. But I caught 3 snappers on this spot this morning. I was planning on going over to Wiki Waki this morning, but I couldn't get enough pilchards or toffee. So I decided to stay on the jetty here and even hook up a jack or so, but I didn't get any jack today at all. So I just caught 3 snappers, you know. Nice size, over 8 inches, lane snapper. Lane snapper as usual, as I tell you before, they don't grow very big. I'm leaving out of here guys, so it was a good day overall, you know. Even if you don't catch a lot of fish, just the weather, the water and stuff, nice. Yeah, and this sabiki, I just got a new sabiki from a friend. I just bought it a while ago, this one here. So if you need sabiki, you can come right here on the jetty. And just let's inquire, people will tell you who sell the sabiki, right? So it's a good sabiki, size 4, a nice, yeah, you can catch a lot of fish, a lot of bait. So this is the sabiki, this is the brand sabiki rig, right? So come on the jetty, there's a gentleman on the jetty that sell these. So if you want sabiki, come and order it on the jetty, right on the jetty here, you'll get it to buy, alright? So guys, as always, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.